kailangan mo lang makabuo ng ating na Star Agent. At para maging Star Agent, ilang points ang kailangan, partner? Ilan?
Kailangan natin ng accumulated 45,000 group points.
Yes.
So medyo talagang nagpa-fire talaga. Kaya hindi na maawat ang pag-aasenso talaga ng mga partners natin.
Yes, correct.
This
Alam
is
mo,
one big family partner.
tama yan. Balik tayo doon, partner, para malaman ng mga bago dito. Alam mo bang may mga kasamahan tayong in just a matter of mga ilang buwan nagiging Star Diamond sila? Di ba? Ganun kabilis. So pag porsigido yung tao, masipag, yung Star Diamond position, kayang-kayang abutin yan. Di ba? So dapat yung mga nandito, ma-inspire sila dito para next time, sabi nga natin kanina, sila yung next na i-award dito.
Kaya nga, nakakagulat ngayong araw na to kasi halos makikita natin si age natin yung nag-workout talaga.
Kaya,
Huwag ka naman salita.
High school? Parang high school.
same age ha?
At mga mukhang artista.
Artista.
Yes.
Artista naman talaga tayo sa DXL, di ba?
Oo, tayo
Endorser tayo ng mga produkto natin.
Siyempre, it really count kasi mismo ginagamit natin.
Yan yung mas angat doon, yung ini-endorso natin, tayo mismo, proven natin. Okay?
And we would like to give the Star Diamonds.
I was thinking about you, thinking about me, thinking about us, what we gon' be. Open my eyes, it was only just a dream.
Travel back down that road, will you come back? No one knows. I realized it was only just a dream.
I was at the top and now it's like I'm in the basement. #1 spot, now you found your own replacement.